Kami cakap bahasa Einstein mix with bahasa tokek dan kadang-kadang bahasa yang kami sendiri yang dah faham. Kitchen Talks yang disukai ramai aunty sambil masak ikan masin perah limau dan lada. Produced by Nat. This is Kinabalu Podcast.
Selamat kembali ke podcast Kinabalu Podcast.
Ya.
Kita intro lagi dia. Belum kan? Kami tidak ada mengatakan apa ataupun mengutarakan apa-apa CTA untuk kali ini.
Ya, betul.
Untuk makluman saja, Gates ataupun Global Agritech Summit telah dipostpone ke later dates lah. Okay?
Ya. So kita terpaksa tunggulah.
Yep. Free Palestine, Free Palestine, Free Palestine.
World peace.
Pangkis.
Bingo koluma, aku masih memyaku. Bingo korungai. Bingo koluma, aku masih memyaku. Bingo korungai. Dendo dendo dendo, unana. Dendo dendo dendo, da da da. Dendo dendo dendo.
Selamat kembali ke podcast nombor 1 di Sabah. Saya Ricardo.
Dan saya Kenny.
The number one podcast di Sabah.
Super Legiata.
Di part yang kedua ini kita mau cerita sedikit pasal Okay Let's Go.
Yeah.
Okay Let's Go kini melabuhkan tirai. Dan we don't know what is the cost. Kalau by the podcast yang diorang bagi ataupun yang telah dikeluarkan, diorang sudah merasa penat lah.
Yes. 5 tahun sudah beroperasi, entertaining us through the air.
From the before the PKP to PKP up to now.
Yeah, man.
They will closing down end of October, which is actually kita berharap pada OLG Fest yang ketiga lah,
Harap-harap lah.
for us to go there.
Yeah.
And we wish them all the best. I think because of commitment masing-masing, and probably I don't know, mungkin they hit the wall. Probably they hit the wall. Probably hit the wall.
Mencari haluan masing-masing juga lah, probably kan.
Yeah.
For me, you know, when it comes to hitting a wall, bila diorang
You break it. You break the wall.
No, you might, don't know. Tapi bila diorang war-warkan yang diorang mau tutup tu kan, macam konten diorang makin interesting pula.
Kan.
You know. So you know, you guys are giving hope that macam mau stop, macam tidak, tapi hopefully
Tidak.
tengoklah macam mana.
But my takeaway is I think like Din, dia ada dia punya satu Din. And dia punya
Which is quite nice.
Mi kari kah something, mi nyonya dia lah something.
Yeah.
Mi lesung kah something.
Mikir nyonya. I think so.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, probably. And Zah ada plan B.
Yeah.
So bila Zah cakap dia penat, dia nak pula penat di plan B. But I think dia penat kalau dua lah.
Yeah,
probably. Kalau dia
probably
NJU lagi lah 3.
Back and forth.
Yeah. And I think dia orang pun sudah experience macam-macam benda yang membuatkan dia orang perlu
Take a break.
take a break. And also maksud saya dia orang sudah stable. For them to lose this, actually this is bukan lagi stability.
This is-
Dia orang convert sudah.
Yeah.
So meaning to say kalau they lose this, less convert, but more focus on the other masing-masing punya benda. Like Razi ada dead aid dia lah. And we don't know how the industry there kalau doing the you know, like dead aid ataupun mikari and
Entrepreneurship lah.
yeah, dorang di sana we don't know how's the economy punya growth ataupun dan sebagainya di sana. But my takeaway is like okay, Din dia macam sudah set. Kami ada berchat baru-baru ni lah, dia bilang baru turun Sabah and all juga. So dia sudah buat dia punya satu Din, and dia hope it can fly. Probably dia boleh jana sponsorship dari sana, and dia more into Islami lah. Mungkin he want to work to God lah now in his own way. And manakala Razi ataupun Zah, dia ada plan B. Literally plan B.
It is.
For him. So which is the content pun makin bagus. And they I think he really put efforts there with the setup and all. It's like late night show punya setup sudah dorang.
Yeah.
And the bantering is getting really good. They get the vibes sudah. Darren sama Rahman having good vibes.
It's sort of like a Sports Center X David Letterman show macam gitu.
Yeah,
kind of like that vibe.
Yeah, a little bit Joe Rogan as well.
Yeah.
So I think macam he got his own shit lah sana.
Yeah.
But Razi is going back for Date 8. And then I heard from the podcast dia ambil dia punya lesson balik untuk realtor. Hopefully he will do success di sana. We pray for the best.
All the best to you, bro.
But dia tidak macam Razi, dia tidak ada tempat untuk kembali ke line yang sama. Macam Din pergi podcast juga balik, Zah pergi podcast juga balik. So adalah cerita-cerita dia pergi mana, Razi pergi kah kau pahal kah
Kartel.
ya, ada cakap yang apa ni, Razi akan buat sendiri kah atau macam mana.
Macam ada ura-ura Razi mau masukin Abalu podcast kan.
Kami ada cerita, sorry. He called me up satu pagi sudah, and kami bercerita around 54 minutes lah, around 1 hour lah. So kami berketawa-ketawa apa semua. It's like kalau kau masuk sini macam kau dari Juventus pergi Sabah FC, ketawa lah. You know. Ada for me macam kau pahal amazing. Kau pahal bagi aku, dia orang ada dia own niche, dia own way of presenting,
Own flavor.
yeah, own flavor,
Yeah.
own vibe. The bantering is, you know, yang they own stuff lah.
It's street talk.
Street talk, correct. That's the term. And also ada Syam Rahman sana giving more, orang bilang yang knowledgeable punya background and all.
Yeah, man.
And it's good. Memang bagus their own way. But for me, if Razi masuk sana, I do believe dorang pun segan kalau mau panggil Razi and all. Dan kalau Razi masuk pun, bagi dia ampai-ampai sudah sama dia. Kalau dalam arti kata lain, kalau kita ampai-ampai macam it's there, tinggal dia masuk saja.
Yeah.
He doesn't have to do like from zero again.
Yes.
Unless kalau Razi buat sendiri, dia kena hire
Start
people
from
lah.
zero lah.
Start from
Yeah.
zero lah.
Yeah.
Which is, I don't know he got time or not for that. And there's no wrong untuk Razi masuk pergi Kau Pahal ataupun any other podcast. It's just that for me, my take, macam Razi sudah ada level, bukan bilang level kayangan, but they different kind of level. Bukan bilang tinggi sangat atau macam mana. Different apa orang panggilnya, vertical sudah bah.
Yeah.
How I want to say this, but
I understood.
kau pun tinggi, very high, tapi different kind of
Yes.
it's like macam mana?
It's like fine dining going into fast food.
Yeah. Like
I
that.
mean, both is
Good.
making money, memang
Yeah.
good. Tapi it's different kind of a level.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, that's the term.
That's the thing.
So bagi aku itu je lah. Aku cakap sama Razi, it's either kalau aku punya nasihat kepada, okay, let's go lah. Aku cakap, you guys might gonna say it with ego. Right now you might gonna say like you guys are swapping down and everything, you are firm with your keputusan. But I believe they will come back. Because after 6 months to 1 year, because this is their line, this is their shit. Daripada sebelum ni pun radio,
Yeah.
3 of them. So it's like you, okay dah, Zah ada plan B, you know, ada satu Din, ada Din, ada satu Din dia. But the vibe yang what makes okay let's go is because of these three. So dorang akan rindu the vibe, dia akan rasa macam not to say easy money, but they got their own shit situ bah.
Yeah.
Kau balik 3 record podcast and go. People are running for the sponsorship to masuk for their sales because they don't give numbers.
True.
So bagi aku, don't stop. You can have a rest. 6 months to 1 year, you can have a rest.
True.
And see how it goes lah. Kalau kau bilang tiada sudah, nada, so then
That's it lah. Yeah.
But if there's a demand, there's a sponsorship looking for, guys come balik lah, saya bayar kamu for 3 months or for 6 months punya engagements. I mean, why not? By all means,
Take it, man.
Yeah. But itu kita punya pendapat lah.
Yes, I'm not sure about them lah.
And for Razi, kalau dia masuk PIKA, you have to have like macam masuk for, aku masuk sebagai contract for 3 months begitu, not like permanently begitulah.
True.
So that you know we are ready, he is ready, the listeners are ready, the ecosystem are ready. Begitulah pendapat aku lah.
Yeah. My take is that it's good juga yang diorang berhenti sekejap, keluar sekejap lah.
Okay.
Because along a few episodes yang saya dengar, Zah ada sebut ni juga, and I think I resonate quite okay with that.
Okay.
When he said konten-konten diorang ni di Okay Let's Go, a lot of them are from their personal experiences, and
Correct.
which is why kita tertarik dengan cerita-cerita diorang.
Yeah.
Which I agree.
And also how they tell the story.
Yes.
The storytelling itself.
The storytelling itself plus the experience, it's the formula of Okay Let's Go. And I agree 100% when he say, I think it's good to stop for a while. This is not exactly what he said lah, but this is what I get, the gist of it. Kita perlu cari experiences. We need to go out there
To make more content.
make more content,
To tell more stories.
to tell more stories. We need experiences. Begitulah. So I resonate with that 100%.
But I beg to differ because why? Along the way pun they can still deliver content. Along the way they still can make experience, other experience, and still fresh experience lagi lah. Trending issues and everything they can.
Yes.
Yeah.
I do,
Itu aku lah.
yeah.
Yeah.
I do agree. But then there's certain parts of me thinking kan, okay, you want to really tell something based on your experience. The experience itself pun macam okay. It's different when you feel like okay, I'm going to experience this. I'm going for this, and then after this, I know I'm going to tell this in the podcast.
Yeah.
Compared to
Like what we do lah.
yeah, compared to you stop the podcast, you're not thinking about experiencing anything for the sake of the podcast, but you are living life, living through it. And then baru macam yang, oi,
Combine all together and tell stories.
yeah, it's a different kind of a feel lah. Saya rasa
Yeah,
lah, that's me lah. So go ahead, let loose, whatever, go, fuck all. But if you wanna come back, please come back.
Please come back.
We
yeah.
are here for you, Zah,
Yeah.
Din, and Razi. Okay, let's go forever, man.
Yeah, man.
We're here.
Bukan kita jilat pantat, but I mean they orang sudah prove it. Their content I have to say, let me just my take on podcast di Singapore lah. They just don't talk about here ataupun Malaysia lah.
Yeah, man.
Malaysia ni some of them buat podcast bukan tahu pun buat sebenarnya podcast. I have to say sorry.
Wah, ya.
Yeah, because kadang-kadang orang berwawancara, orang bercakap-cakap kan.
Record pakai OBS. No,
I don't. Never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind.
What's the tool lah, right? Yeah.
Okay, let's go ni. Because of these three, diorang ada different vibe, different background. And what makes more interesting sana, they're all knowledgeable.
Yeah.
And especially Zah, I have to give credit to him.
Yep.
Dari segi scientificnya, dari segi ekonominya, politikalnya, dari segi whatever knowledge yang dia ada.
Yes.
And how they present it in very, I don't know how to. What's the word?
Articulate.
Very articulate. Very articulate. Very highly curated. So dia menjadikan dia satu bukan kau tokok.
It's enjoyable,
but knowledgeable as well.
Yeah.
And kita pun rasa unwind.
Yeah.
The rest of the podcast di sana bukan semua lah. Most of it lah. Dia orang tokok. To be frank, dia tokok. Betul. When they bring on guests, kita pun cakap-cakap macam kita bagus sangat lah bahkan, but we also learning juga.
Yeah. We know, man.
Yang the rest pula mesti tokok. Memang kita ni mau tokok. Because kita penat kerja and all, kita kayu grab, kita buat kerja and all, kita apalagi di Singapore dia multitasking and everything, dia hustling
Multiple jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course they want to unwind. But kalau tokok all the time,
sakit telinga juga.
susah juga kan. I mean cake all the time susah juga kan.
Yeah.
Where's the knowledge kita mau gain dari situ?
Yeah.
But still yet masing-masing punya telinga.
Yes.
What? So what? So apa? So kenapa kalau kamu dengar dia ada podcast, saya nak sebut lah nama podcast lain kan. So saya ada berbincang juga beberapa podcast di sana, what's going on di sana, which is a lot of things happening di sana podcast scene.
Oh man.
Yeah, in terms of sponsorship, in terms of I don't know, Cold War di sana.
Serious shit.
Yeah. Nanti kita cerita of course. I don't wanna.
Yeah.
We have good relationship with all of you guys di sana. And we don't bilang condone ataupun support ataupun apa, whatever good, kita bagus saja. Siapalah kami ini kan.
Yeah. Kita tidak menjaga tepikain orang lah. Your issues is your issues.
Yeah, your issues. But we just, this is our takeaway on what podcast in Singapore. And from the story, memang ada Cold War lah. Like ada ini saya mau cakap lah,
arms race lah.
The other day I heard, because saya layan, kau pun layan juga kan, banyak podcast di Singapore.
Yeah, man.
So saya layan DNL punya podcast, Lina J. So dia rant it out lah something yang dia bilang dia punya rating kena drop. So rating dia ni kena drop dari di Spotify tau, out of 4.7 something pergi 3.2 kah, something like that lah.
That's wow, okay.
That is a lot.
Yeah,
Because
that is a
maksudnya
lot, man.
banyak orang memberi rating dalam erti kata 3 poin lebih saja.
Yeah, that is a lot, man.
So dia I don't know how he get the analysis and analytics and everything. Dia dapat tahu in just 2 days dia kena drop. So I don't know if it's doable or not, tapi sudah terbukti doable lah. And siapa yang buat? And for what?
Yeah. Why? What happened?
Ya, kenapa perlu buat begitu?
What is this macam what is this?
So
DDoS attack? What is
I mean,
this?
why on earth tidak bolehkah kamu satu memuji okay let's go kerana kamu pasal okay let's go ni kamu wujud. I have to say that. Walaupun kamu tahu kamu mungkin bagus, kamu boleh edit video kamu sendiri, music kamu sendiri and everything, which is we do the same, and then the rest of the anu pun buat. Good for you guys, kamu buat sendiri, cheaper and all. Kamu pun boleh bagi kamu yang masa and focus di sana untuk content video, TikTok and everything every week, every day. But we have to agree, without okay let's go, ramai podcast di Singapura tu mungkin tidak ada pun. Betul. Tidak wujud pun.
Yes.
And I think to acknowledge them is something yang you should do. And macam saya cakap balik, most of the podcast di sana tokok. So
Like it or not. Yeah.
That's our takeaway, by the way.
Yeah.
I hope this we're gonna go viral, man. Singapore punya, but
I'll say it like this lah.
in a very solemn and respectful manner lah. Saya cakap atas dasar saya punya takeaway. And I respect you guys, because of you guys juga kami berinspirasi, teraspirasi, dan kami inspired by whatever, how you handle stuff, how you guys doing monetizations and everything, and that's what we follow.
Yeah.
So yeah man, we respect you guys, but it is our take.
Betul.
Yeah.
It's our take, and nothing personal. I hope we won't offend anybody, because we love each and every podcasters out there.
Willow? Okay
lah.
Willow is okay. It's just that things yang happen there. Okay.
It's between podcasters punya group kan.
Tu pun war juga kan.
Itu war juga kan. Yeah. But to each their own. We have our own niche. We have our own
masing-masing.
We have our own pool of fish pond lah.
Okay.
A pool of ocean lah, where we live in. Sometimes we cross each other macam gitu.
Correct.
And I hope we be in peace lah.
Yeah. And also I do believe if you come to Sabah, kamu akan contact kita about podcast juga, and we will be very glad for you guys to contact us, and
please
need help and everything. We've been helping a lot of podcasters, and also contact sana, blast daripada sana juga datang ke sini beberapa kali. Dari segi tempat cuti, dari segi transportation, logistik, di mana mau pergi, itinerary and everything, kami banyak kali sudah bantu.
Yes, we definitely won't scam you.
Of course. And who else kamu tahu di Sabah kalau bukan kami kan?
Yeah.
And kami siapa kami tahu kalau kami di sana, kamu lah.
Like again, we don't want to scam you, but we like Singapore dollars.
Correct. That is really true lah.
Aduh.
So once again, we wanna acknowledge okay, let's go. And the rest of the podcast di Singapore should acknowledge them juga. Janganlah berlaku riak mentang-mentang kamu sudah rating tinggi, kamu sudah boleh produce banyak video yang sangat bagus dan juga. Come on man, this is, you should be healthy lah.
Oh yeah, it should be healthy. And at the same time, I want to thanks lah pula, buruk English saya ni malam.
Appreciate lah.
I would like to thank Okay Let's Go for the past 4 years of my life.
Sebab kau dengar 2020 kan?
Yeah, 2020.
Terlambat 1 tahun lah.
Yeah man. So thanks.
Saya kasih kenal kau.
Okay. Yeah, Kado yang kasih kenal. And I know you guys through Kado juga. And you guys have been accompanying me for the past 4 years, and it has been one of the best I've been.
Ups and down man.
Ups and downs man. Sedih saya dengar, gembira saya dengar, normal driving saya dengar. You guys kept me awake, kept me sleeping, kept me on my up, and kept me on my down. So
inspire us and always make us laugh. Especially because
yeah.
mungkin kita selalu murung.
Dengan
So thank you very much. And, I want to specifically shout out to Razi, Raja Razi, because Razi ni different type level of person. Amin ni siapalah kita ni, siapalah saya ni. He can call every night. I mean not every night, some of the nights. Kadang-kadang kami berbual sampai sejam dah. No lah, macam itu. And di sana dia ambil, dia tolong macam-macam, makan. So I'm here man, gini. Dia boleh datang and ambil, kan boleh cerita, kan boleh curhat and everything. Sedangkan ramai lagi orang yang dia boleh bercerita pun, but dia punya level is different. Dan I do believe dia bukan treat that to me only or to us only, but to the rest of dia punya followers ataupun kawan-kawan di sana.
He's just a really good guy.
He just got time lah, I don't know.
Yeah.
He make time lah probably.
He is the kedai mamak yang bukan 24 jam.
Dia tidak select lah.
Dia 25 jam.
But bukan cakap Zah tu dia tidak bagus.
No lah,
but they got their own things, and we also respect that.
Yeah, we respect that. Yeah.
Oi, banyak kita cerita pasal let's go.
Wait. Because we love you guys.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Sekejap lagi kena pick up podcast lain yang banyak tokok akan hantam kita. But guys, you guys want to talk and you guys got listeners, go carry on man. No problem. Yeah, you guys can monetize masing-masing. Alright.
Masing-masing. Mana?
Booyah, skip dong satu song.
Another one.
That's what's trending actually. Itu yang saya cakap tadi. Selain daripada PDD, the Booyah is trending.
Suck man. That's so stupid.
What happened adalah GISB punya isu, yang mana diorang ni dulu Al-Arqam, which is I do remember that time, ajaran sesat, digazetkan sebagai ataupun telah dikategorikan sebagai ajaran sesat di perundangan Malaysia, di undang-undang Malaysia.
Then they covertly change into
Global
charitable.
Global Ikhwan. Global Ikhwan.
JSB.
Yeah. And they actually made it because they orang sampai all over the world.
Yeah. Sini sana.
Yeah. So we don't know what's going on itu. We don't. Aku tidak banyak mau komen kalau GSP because masih dalam persiasatan satu. Yes. Dan cuma aku akan kelucuan dari segi lagu dia. Aku lucu dengan orang bilang yang janggut-janggut tu, which is ada video. Ya, taruh di mata apa semua. I saw that. So we don't know what's going on. Kita nampak juga macam akad-akad yang berbeza, cara akad dorang, cara dorang doa ada berbeza sedikit. Some of it. So itu sajalah. Yang selain daripada tu I don't give apa-apa pun respon. Yeah. So itulah yang trending.
Yeah. So trending yang agak gila sikit lah.
Betul
ini. Apa lagi yang trending sekarang ini?
Yang trending sekarang kita akan sampai di part yang ketiga lah.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a short break. Satu sekali lagi kita ingin memberitahu Gates ataupun Global Agritech Summit yang kami war-warkan sebulan lebih ni ditunda ke tahun hadapan di later dates, which is tahun depan. Tapi kami adalah official podcast partner, which is kami akan continue this kalau nanti akan berlangsung lah.
Betul, sebetul-betulnya.
We're gonna take a short break. And also I wish Jill Stein akan dapat kerusi untuk presiden. Memang tidak banyak followers dia, tapi speaking up, because they fight for human rights, they fight for this atrocities ataupun this US punya yang conduct punya governance. Jill Stein daripada Kamala Harris daripada dan juga Trump, bagus kamu go for Jill Stein. So yeah,
do the right thing.
Yeah. Free Palestine,
world peace.
Yang kemana-mana kita akan kembali selepas ini.
Hi guys, I'm Abid Naha. You are listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the #1 podcast in SEDDH Sabah.